Okay, we've got dog drama over here to the right. So he's smelling his butt.
I just got his
Huh?
butt shut.
You want to start over?
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm trying to get the top prize is $5,000 on this one. This is a new one. $50 loaded. Match any of your numbers to the winning number. Win the prize shown. For that number, reveal a $50 symbol, and you win $50 instantly. So we could, if we win $50 instantly, then I will have more than I have in the stock account as far as that's concerned. Okay, the winning number is 2. Uh-oh, this could be it, Daddy. Because 2 was my winning number. Okay, let's look. 9. It's not a winning number. 5. Not a winning number. 1. I have very big doubts. But let's see. 7 and 8. Not a winning number. This was a loser. Loser, loser, loser. Go back to your day job, loser. Okay, we'll try again tomorrow.